2025 Toyota Crown Signia is a new midsize SUV that comes standard with a 243 HP hybrid powertrain and all-wheel drive. The Crown Signia replaces the Toyota Venza, which will be retired after the 2024 model year. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is a two-row midsize SUV with seating for 5. It is based on the same platform as the Toyota Camry and Toyota Avalon, but it has a longer wheelbase and more cargo space. The Crown Signia also has a more upscale interior than the Camry and Avalon. Every Crown Signia has an all-wheel drive hybrid powertrain that pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gas engine with a trio of electric motors. The hybrid powertrain produces a combined 243 horsepower and gets an estimated 36 mpg combined. The Crown Signia can also tow up to 2,700 pounds. Inside, the Crown Signia has a spacious and comfortable interior. The front seats are heated and power adjustable, and the rear seats can fold flat to create a large cargo area. The Crown Signia also comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a center touchscreen with a matching measurement. The infotainment system features standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is a stylish and well-equipped midsize SUV that offers a comfortable ride and a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain. It is a good choice for shoppers looking for a premium SUV that is also practical and affordable. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is available in two trim levels, XLE and Limited. The XLE comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a 12.3-inch center touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated front seats, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. The Limited adds ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, a panoramic moonroof, and a 10-speaker JBL premium audio system. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is scheduled to go on sale in late 2024. Pricing has not yet been announced, but it is expected to start at around $45,000.